total of 38,664 students are appearing in the High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2020, which began today. Security personnel were deployed at 140 centers spread across 16 districts of the state to ensure smooth conduct of the examination. Parents and guardians were seen dropping their children at the centers for the board examination. Traffic were disrupted due to the movement of a large number of candidates in Imphal city. On the second day of the 10th session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly, Rs 21,000 crore for 32 different demands were passed in the House. The number of reported new cases of coronavirus in China's Hubei province rose today after 2 days of falls, as authorities imposed tough new restrictions on movement to prevent the spread of the disease, which has now killed more than 1,700 people, a media report said. Mapari Ningsingkol Lob Manil today observed the 11th death anniversary of Dr. T.H. Kisan, Y. Token and A. Rajan at Mapari Ningsingkol located near Cherapkot in Uripok, Imphal. Manipur Human Rights Commission Acting Chairperson Khaidem Mani, Manil Chairman Soram Tiken Rijit and All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju President Bijoy Kakching Tabam shared the dice at the occasion. A 6-day short-term course in SPSS for teachers has kick-started today at UGC Human Resource Development Center of Manipur University, Kanchipur. Mathematical and Physical Science Dean, Manipur University K. Yugindro Singh, Punjab University Professor Suresh Kumar Sharma, UGH Human Resource Center Director Professor I. Tomba Singh and other distinguished personalities attended the inaugural function. Drive against illegal poppy plantation in different hill ranges of Technopole district intensified under Technopole Police and Narcotic and Affairs of Border NAP. A team led by District Superintendent of Police T.H. Bikramjit, Additional Superintendent of Police Operations M. Amit, Machi Police Station Officer in charge and NAP personnel destroyed around 22 acres of illegal poppy plantations along the Samukong Hill ranges located under Machi Police Station of Technopole yesterday. The budget session of the 5th sitting of the 8th Mizoram Legislative Assembly began today. Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai gave his maiden speech in the Assembly. The session will conclude on March 14 next.